All right, guys, before we really get into the video, I want to start off by saying I'm not trying to spread FUD. I'm not trying to spread fear and make you fearful. I'm just here to remind you that there's two sides of this coin. Yes, crypto goes insanely high. You know, XRP last bull run like 70,000% from market bottom. Okay. But we also have to understand and stay grounded and be realists and realize that XRP price can go lower. Look, I'm not trying to tell you today that I think XRP is going down to 14 cents. That's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to say you need to be mentally prepared in case this does happen. All right, the world's turning into a crazy place today. Volatility is going to be happening all over different asset classes and commodities and financial instruments. I mean, dude, for Christ's sake, the guys, do you want me to blow your mind right now? Google this. The euro and the US dollar are worth exactly the same right now. There is no exchange rate for a US dollar to euro. It's 1-to-1. Like, you got to understand, this freaking world's crazy. I think we're going to be seeing volatility a lot of places. And guys, I just want you to be prepared in case we go down lower. And again, I have to repeat myself because I don't want people tweeting and commenting thinking I'm trying to spread FUD and like, oh my god, oh, XCOP's fear-mongering, prices are going lower. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying we got to be prepared in case this does happen. Because we have to realize, look, we got gaps here, okay? We got gaps all right there down to 21 cents. And unfortunately, we do have a very, very small gap down here right at that 14-cent support zone. I'm just saying this is something that could happen and is honestly my worst fear for XRP. I'm not championing this idea. I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but there's a chance it could happen. I am a full believer in XRP breaking all-time high this year. I still think that is possible with historical situations that are going to be coming up in the next few days here and this year with the SEC. I'm just saying we got to be prepared in case this does happen. All right. Look, like when we came down to this price level, 10 cents a coin, 11 cents a coin, 16 cents a coin, dude, I'm talking like it was not good for my mental health. I still held the coin, didn't, dump any of it, kept holding, kept trucking along. I didn't give up on it. But I'm just telling you, you got to be prepared mentally in case this does happen. Like, you got to think to yourself right now, let's say XRP drops down to 14 cents immediately. Are you okay? Are you financially sound? Can you still be making payments on whatever you got to pay every single month? That's what I'm trying to talk about today. My worst fear is honestly that there is a chance XRP could go down to these lows again. Like, I'm a firm believer in XRP breaking all-time high this year. And honestly, let's take away everything I've drawn out right now. If you want to look at it in a weird way, bro, we kind of have... We got a little symmetrical triangle going on here. That is a fact. We got a little symmetrical triangle going on here, which could allow us to see a sharp bounce and break of resistance and breaking all-time high. Like, I am for sure championing this idea. I mean, especially considering the level we are at right now used to be an old all-time high level, which was then used as support for the bear market. And then we broke through it and then treated as resistance to the deeper bear market. And then once we broke that level, we nearly broke all-time high. So guys, honestly, like, I do still think this $4, $5, $8, $10 XRP, I still think this can happen within this year, okay? It might sound crazy, but again, we just have to, we got to realize that the downside could be upon us. I don't know for sure, man. I am not some magical wizard with a crystal ball. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I am a full believer in this situation playing out right here. With the historical events coming up, Jed McCaleb is almost out of XRP, dude. He's almost done. He's freaking dumping daily, dumped 10% of the supply in the last 2 years, which I think is the main reason for why the last 2 years since 2020 have been pretty lackluster price action. He dumped 10% of the supply. He dumped pretty much nearly half of all the XRP he ever owned in the last 2 years. That's why I do think we have this lackluster price action. With his current technical setups and his selling pressure will all of a sudden be gone in the next few days here, next week here. I do believe this scenario I have drawn out for you here is entirely possible at $9 a coin. I know, YouTubers keep putting the, 50,000 a coin in the thumbnail, which I know I just did, but my point in that video was I don't think this is realistic, okay? But, like, I know we see all the, $500, $10,000, $1,000, baiting in all those clicks, which I understand that, but my honest, reasonable, self is just thinking, like, $7, $8, $9, $10 a coin is possible, just considering the history of XRP and the historical moments coming forward. But you just got to be prepared for that potential downside if it comes, because Bitcoin has a freaking major gap here. At 16K to 10K. Got another major gap here at like 8K to 5K, dude. So I'm honestly saying, like, there could be a doomsday coming for Bitcoin. That does not mean it's going to happen to XRP, because I do not believe we've had our alt season yet. Alt season is when Bitcoin is doing nothing or dropping, and altcoins are the next hottest thing in the freaking world, and they are pumping like crazy while Bitcoin does nothing. I do not think we have seen our alt season yet. Yes, have altcoins gone crazy? Absolutely. But I don't think it was a true official alt season, which is money bleeding out of Bitcoin and the liquidity flowing into altcoins as sort of a final phase of the bull run. So just be prepared, guys. That's my worst fear for XRP, is dropping down to those levels. I don't think we are. I honestly don't think we are, because we are at such a crucial level right now. Remember the launchpad theory I talked about, which was about the 87-cent level? I don't know. I think I'm wrong. I think this is the actual launchpad right here. This could be it. I actually thought the new launchpad could be the 60-cent iron wall that I came up with, but then the 60-cent iron wall failed. So really, my last freaking opinion for that is, dude, we got this last level of 30 cents to be the true launchpad for XRP to do its greatest, because we got major gaps up here at 85 cents, little gap up here, $1.42 to $1.70. Got a pretty fat one right there from $3.30 to $2. Guys, I mean, we got gaps up to the upside where we need to fill them. We need to go and grab this liquidity. And I'm telling you guys, with just Jed McCaleb Wall being done, I'm telling you, the moment he has 0 XRP, I'm telling you, there will be some sort of pump on XRP. And I believe we are going to have that path for $1.95. But the point of this video is I just want you guys to understand it might not work out. You got to always prepare yourself for lower prices. All right. There's a nice quote I like from Brad Garlinghouse that just came out today. This is about, things crashing, dumping, and everyone getting scared and selling everything. Brad Garlinghouse, very, very based guy, I like to say. Very based man. While excitement got ahead of reality on some of these things, the market isn't going away. The opportunity isn't going away. It's a very simple statement, but let me read that again. Excitement got ahead of reality on some of these things. NFTs, buying a JPEG for $1 million. The market isn't going away, and the opportunity is not going away. Brilliant statement by Brad Garlinghouse. Got one little piece of news for you guys from Watch Your Guru. Just in trading platform Crosstower has partnered with Ripple to add NFTs minted on the XRP ledger to its marketplace. As you guys know, I am not an NFT guy. I don't support it. If it is going to exist, might as well be on the XRP ledger. But hey, you know what? Honestly, if you can mint NFTs in the XRP ledger, I'm happy. I'm just not going to buy an NFT myself. But if it's going to happen somewhere, if people want to buy JPEGs, they shouldn't be paying $300 transaction fees to do so. They should be doing it on the XRP ledger at less than a penny. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in the video today. I would appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.